ready for occupancy home in Las Piñas is already hard. Finding one with only 4 units left is even harder. If you've been searching for a home that's ready to move into without waiting for construction, this might be the opportunity you've been waiting for. Introducing the Amore Classico model at Benedito Residences, located in Barangay Pulang Lupa 1, Las Piñas City. This ready for occupancy, complete finish home is perfect for families who want comfort, convenience, and a prime location close to schools, malls, and major roads. Here's what you'll get. Lot area 52 square meter, floor area 102 square meter, 4 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 powder room, 1 carport. The best part, you don't have to wait years before moving in. Once your loan is approved and the requirements are completed, you can prepare for your new home much sooner compared to a pre-selling property. Here's the payment overview. Total contract price 7,995,000. Reservation fee 50,000. 3 months down payment 149,833 per month. Loanable amount 7,195,500. Estimated monthly amortization 20 years 55,270. Now, here's the urgent part. Only 4 units are available. Ready for occupancy homes in Las Piñas are always in demand because buyers want to move in as soon as possible. Once these 4 units are reserved, you'll have to wait for future inventory or look at a different project. If you've been saying this year gusto ko na magkaroon ng sariling bahay, this is your chance to make it happen. We offer free house tour assistance so you can personally visit the property and see if it's the right fit for your family. Don't wait until someone else reserves one of the last 4 units. Comment Amore 102 and we'll send you the complete details, updated availability, and sample computation. What if your dream home is already being built and there are only 5 units left? This is your chance to own a premium home before it's fully completed. Introducing the Amparo model at Christianville, an ongoing construction, complete finished home located in Las Piñas with bank financing available. This is perfect for families who want a spacious home in a prime location while still enjoying the advantage of buying before the project is fully completed. Here's what you'll get. Lot area 80 square meter, floor area 102.53 square meter, 4 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 powder room, 1 carport. Whether it's for your growing family, a home office, or a guest room, this layout gives you the flexibility and comfort you need. Now, let's talk about the payment. Total contract price, 9,295,000. Reservation fee, 80,000. 8 months down payment, 106,168 per month. Loanable amount, 8,365,500. Estimated monthly amortization, 20 years, 64,257. Here's why you shouldn't delay. Only 5 units are available. Once these units are reserved, you'll have to wait for another inventory release and there's no guarantee it will be at the same price. Buying during the construction stage gives you the opportunity to secure your future home while inventory is still available. If you're planning to invest in a home in Las Piñas, this is the perfect time to make your move. We offer free house tour assistance so you can visit the project and see the development for yourself. Don't wait until all 5 units are gone. Comment Amparo 102 and we'll send you the complete details, updated availability, and sample computation.